Hey, what's up everybody? I have these two vintage Tesla model T-52 vintage Bakelite Soviet era. I don't think they're field phones. I think they are military or government, but I don't think it's technically a field phone. Maybe it was used by some other government agencies, possibly like railroad or something like that. Anyway, so what I did was here, I wanted to try to see if these things would work. So these have these little round discs and they're labeled A and B, Z, ZV, positive and negative. And so what I did was I was going to connect the jumpers to, A to A, B to B, Z to Z, the corresponding numbers and letters. And so right now, as it's set up, I'm going to try to demonstrate this. You can crank this one, and it's just this one ringing. All right. Now I'm going to jumper the A to A and the B to the B, and you're going to see both of them ring. Hear the difference? Now they are both ringing in unison. Now what I've done here is I've jumpered, there's a positive and negative. So the negative of this one I put to the negative side of this 9 volt, and the negative of this one I also put to the negative. So both positives are to the positive, both sides of the negative are to the negative. And now when I pick this up, I'm actually able to hear myself talk. And the way I'm testing this is I can put one to one ear and just kind of give it a tap, and I can hear it in the other receiver. So this now works as an intercom. So I'm pretty wildly entertained by this. I did not think I could get this to work. I didn't see any videos on this particular model of telephone, this Czechoslovakian Tesla model. I really did not find much information at all about these things. So I just kind of figured I'd play around with it and see if I could get it to work. But yes, these hand crank phones, which are super cool. It's super cool. The bakelite, just the sound, the texture, the feel, it's really fun. Think about, like, for your kids, you little science experiment, get some old telephones like this, hook them up, pretty fun. So I was very amused when I got this to work, and this was the only thing I could think of to use these little alligator clip thingies, because this is an odd assortment here. They come with these little tiny screws, and they suck. So anyway, there you have it. 60, 70-year-old phones hooked up to work as a intercom type of a thing. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.